Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 965 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. Before we start, you can pair this watch with the Android phone in two ways. The first way is to do it through the setup process of the watch. So basically if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the second way is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up. Because you can set up the watch without pairing it with a phone. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process, then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Now let's continue with the pairing process. And first thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the light button. Keep holding the button until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. And once you see the Garmin logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. Once the watch boots up, and it's brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the list of languages on the screen. And you can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will be asked if you want to pair your watch with a phone. We want to do that, so we're gonna press the start button to confirm. And after that, you should see the QR code. That means we need to download and install the Garmin Connect application on the phone we want to pair our watch with. So let's go to our phone. Make sure we have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once we do, we can open the Play Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Garmin Connect. And on the list of apps, you should see this application, Garmin Connect by Garmin. Tap on it, then tap on the install button. Wait until the application is done installing. And after it's done, we can then tap on the open button to open it. So let's wait. Let's tap on open. As you can see now, we have a login page basically. And if you don't have an account, Garmin account, you can tap on create account button to make a new one and then use it to log in. And if you have an account, tap on sign in to continue. I'm gonna tap on sign in because I already have an account. Check the box, tap on next. And now we need to enter the email address and password to log in. So give me a couple of seconds. Okay. And then we can tap on next to log in into an account. If you see this pop up on the screen, tap on allow access and allow. And the app should start searching for the nearby devices and it should detect your Forerunner 965. Once it does, tap on connected, tap on allow, tap on pair, next. Here we can set up sleeping schedule. Basically this is useful if you want to wear your watch during sleeping. And it will basically turn on do not disturb mode while you go to sleep and then turn it off while you wake up. And you can edit it by tapping on edit right here, and basically you can change the time on which you go to bed by swiping on the hours and minutes, and then time on which you wake up, and the watch will automatically turn on and off the do not disturb mode during that time period. And of course you can also select the days on which it should be active. And once you're done, you can tap on save, then you can tap on next. Here we can allow the notification access. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and keep it disabled. If you want to use the notification feature, tap on allow notification access and tap on allow. Next we have the location. This is useful if you want to use the local weather, basically tracking your routes on the map while you're running and cycling, anything that requires location on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and keep it disabled, but if you want to allow the location permission, tap on allow access, tap on permissions, scroll down, find the location, tap on it, and you can select allow all the time or allow while using the app. I usually select allow while using the app, but the app will pester you about the allow all the time, which is for some reason normal behavior for the apps. I don't like it, but okay. And once you allow the permission for the location, you can tap go back basically. I tapped on the back button, and now you should see the calendar access. And this is useful if you want to see the events on your calendar, get notifications about the events and stuff like that on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. If you want to allow it, tap on allow and allow. Then we have the call log access. This is useful for the call notifications. So basically, if you want to see who's calling you on your phone, the name on the contact number and stuff like that, you will need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and keep it disabled. Same for the phone call access, and the messages is useful for the messages. So if you receive the notifications about the messages, it will display the number and the, I believe, content of the message. And if you want to use it, tap on allow message access. If you don't care, tap on skip. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see this sync now button. Tap on it, tap on finish. Here you have a tutorial how to use the watch, but I don't care, so I'm gonna tap on skip, finish, and now you should see the home page. On it, at the top, there should be icon of your watch, but if you tap on more, tap on Garmin devices, here we have the list of devices paired to our account and our phone, and we have our Forerunner 965, and we can tap on it to open the device page for it. If you go back to your watch, it should be ready to use. So if you touch on the screen, here we have it, everything works. So that's how you pair the watch during the setup process. Now I'm gonna unpair it from our phone. Okay, and now we're gonna pair it through the settings. To do it, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. Oh, never mind, we don't need to wake up the screen on our watch. We need to press and hold the up button to open the menu. Then we need to scroll through the menu, select the settings icon, scroll down, find the connectivity option and select it. Here select phone, then scroll down and tap on pair phone, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. Now you can download the app if you don't have it, and then basically repeat the steps as we did before. But I already have an app, so I'm gonna open the Garmin Connect application, and I am already logged in, so I'm gonna see the home page, and here we have this big plus button, or we can tap on more Garmin devices, and we can tap on add device. It will start searching for the nearby devices. It should detect our watch, and once it does, tap on connected and basically do all the steps we did before. So allow the connection, pair, next, wake time or sleeping schedule, location permission. I'm gonna skip it this time. I don't need to deal with other permissions because I already allowed them, so it won't ask me for them. But if you didn't allow the other permissions, it will ask you again, and then you will see the sync now button. It starts syncing. Then we can tap on finish, skip the tutorial, tap on finish, and you should see the home page again. On it, there should be your watch right here at the top, and if you tap on more Garmin devices, it should be right here on the list, and it is. And that's how you pair the watch through the settings. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.